my channel. And right now you see me, I am at my dermat's clinic and getting my monthly facial done as my skin is sensitive prone. So I've started doing this like around 2-3 years ago. So it's helped me a lot to clear up all my acne and everything. And yeah, I am flying to Dubai in less than a week. Okay. And सही बोलते हैं जो बोलते हैं कि ट्रिप से ज़्यादा ट्रिप के पहले खर्चा होता है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इफ आई शो यू राइट नाउ यू विल बी लाइक क्या है ये मेरे साथ. ट्रस्ट मी, लुक एट दिस. पार्सल्स आते जा रहे और आने वाले हैं. इससे ज़्यादा ये है, ये है, ये है, इसके नीचे है, यहाँ पे भी है. आई जस्ट होप कॉलर पकड़ कर मारे ना. बहुत ज़्यादा है ये भगवान. अभी तो दिस इज जस्ट लाइक द स्टार्ट, टिप ऑफ द आइसबर्ग. बाकी मुझे अपने नाखून कराने हैं. आई हैव बीन ग्रोइंग देम आउट क्वाइट लॉन्ग ना. या बट आई हैव टू गेट माई नेल्स डन. ट्रिप पे जा रही हूँ भाई, थोड़ा तो कुछ तो करूँ. देन उसके बाद जस्ट एक्सक्यूज मैंने बाल. ठीक है. फिर मैं फेस करके आई हूँ. आई जस्ट गॉट माई फेशियल थिंग डन, तो दैट इज़ आउट ऑफ द वे. अभी वापस क्रिसमस के पहले जाऊँगी. क्रिसमस के पहले या क्रिसमस के बाद थोड़ा. एंड फिर मुझे बालों का कुछ कराना है, बट नथिंग लाइक ट्रीटमेंट, बट इट्स लाइक अ हेयर स्पा. तो वो दैट आई नीड टू डू. एंड what else is left? I don't know. I need to actually get started to pack, like at least see क्या लेकर जाना है, क्या नहीं लेकर जाना है. Because weekend is going to be jam packed. Weekend पे बहुत काम है. So, ow. I later headed out to get my FTP biometrics registered to Fort, where I met Ryan and Jenny. Today, Ryan and Jenny are coming over to stay and chill at my place. So I made chicken biryani and raita, and along with that, for sweet, I made panna cotta with apple and cinnamon.
Oh my god, yes.
किधर गया?
Yummy. बहुत अच्छा है. Very fucking yummy.
तू हाथ से खाएगा? आता है फिर. Smart ना.
Just YouTuber things.
रुक रही दीदी.
Oh my god.
It's not set, this one. This batch I made before, like half an hour before.
Look at her face, look at my face. Zero.
एप्पल में वो cinnamon वाला टेस्ट आया.
थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा.
अभी I put less.
Proper it is.
Post lunch, Jenny and I headed to get our nails done for the trip as well as Christmas. So come. Before Christmas, look at a sick patient. Perfect.
That
इंडिया का आना चाहिए थोड़ा सुबह झाड़ियों के बीच में
In the forest.
We then headed to the Nike and Adidas outlet stores to do some shopping for the trip.
So I just bought these black shoes from Nike and they were so comfortable. I think the entire Dubai trip I was planning on wearing these shoes as well. This is a female. Sick patient.
Yeah, mom. Already.
I'm tired. Here I am headed to my mom's place, which is closer to the international airport, so that the next day I can go with Jenny to the airport and meet Ryan over there. So this is just a day prior to us flying to Dubai. So Jenny booked the Pranam service at the Mumbai airport and the Marhaba service at the UAE airports, both in Abu Dhabi and Dubai. We were flying to Abu Dhabi and while coming back we were flying back from Dubai. So all this service was actually, we thought it was worth it because the amount of walking we need to do was reduced because of the buggy service and priority check-ins and everything. So yeah, good. Yes.
So once we landed in Abu Dhabi, the Marhaba service crew came along and took us and they guided us all throughout the entire immigration and process that was happening in Abu Dhabi. We got priority check-in, so it was a plus. And then we headed to the Hertz counter, which is a car rental service. And as we had booked a car for the entire trip, so we drove from Abu Dhabi to Dubai as our our hotel was in Dubai, and it was such a beautiful ride and you will definitely see us going crazy.
All set, Johnny? भाई साहब हम लोग 100 के स्पीड पे चल रहे हैं।
more on
गेज पे तो 100 क्रॉस करके कब का खत्म 110 रोड
God bikes on this Ferrari.
तू चला रे भाई टायर्ड से सब जगह अपने को रूम अभी तो ट्विन बेड्स है ए माय बेड वील गेट वन मोर एक्स्ट्रा बेड ठीक we can see the Burj Khalifa from here. We are entering the Dubai Mall. सेम अपना एयरपोर्ट लुक में वाला जरा स्टार्टेड
in evidence.
हम लाए हैं, हम प्रस्तुत करते हैं आज खोलने। हम लाए हैं सांबा बेज एंड ब्राउन ब्लश एंड ब्राउन
Blush pink color. Dirty pink.
आदिदास से सांबा लेकर आए हम लोग सांबा। कितना है बड़ा? यार
11 rupees. After that,
almost the same as India. Okay, then we went to Sapporo. So we start. We did gift shopping, like gift section में जाके
Yeah.
shopping किया because we wanted small. तो first we have Tarte का gift क्या है ये? Gift set. So we
collectors.
have 2 eyeshadow palettes, 2 mascaras, and 2
Lipsticks.
lipsticks or something related to the lips.
So we will open it and split it. Gift for ourselves.
Then we've got 2 of one for each. Rare Beauty का
Blues.
blush. Yeah, Rare Beauty का blush. It is a mini cheek and lip set.
Opening it.
कर ले minis. It's good because we don't use so much. So it is okay. Then we've bought. Then this is mine. Laura Mercier का peach powder. छोटू
ये कब गया? Checkout.
चेकआउट पे सारी चीज़ अपने को चेकआउट पे मिली। Then this is Jisso. I don't know how sound pronouncing it right. I don't know.
Definitely wrong.
Yeah, it's a Japanese brand. I've seen its reels, so I thought it was breaking. Then this is where the purchase began.
Yes.
It's a 2.
Oud perfume,
It's not oud. It's oud fragrant perfumes, but
sandalwood, and rose.
yeah, one is male, one is female. But you can. It's a
It's
unisex.
unisex.
Next bag.
No male female.
Then is
ये वाला last में.
हाँ उतना ही था.
मैं नीचे
हाँ यार बहुत.
Tarte.
Huh. Then I got a Tarte concealer in Deep Honey. I don't know, it's not the shape tape, it's something else. But yeah. Then Jenny has purchased Kyalika Tahitian vanilla and Utopia vanilla cocoa. Vanilla cocoa.
Then this is for all of us actually.
Huh.
To do it
Then we
tonight.
got, just to get refreshed, we've got some masks.
Refreshing mask.
Yeah,
and
some
eye-
eye mask and face mask. और कुछ था.
Booster mask. फिर हमें जो दीदी ने गिफ्ट दिया.
हाँ.
अरे नहीं मेरा एक और था किया लिखा परफ्यूम.
Oh, one more. Is it the black one? Musk, Milky Musk Gold.
Gonna use it.
Then we've got gifts from Sephora.
Because they loved us so much.
So this is basically all the different kinds of miniatures.
Yeah.
Yeah, so all of those are available. So there's
Okay,
like
दिखाओ.
बहुत है. रुक.
व्यूअर्स को दिखाओ.
नन्हे. गिरा एक गिरा. उस तरफ गिरा तेरे को.
What a giving.
It's फटा हुआ प्लास्टिक. इधर है मिला. See, we have brightening serum. We have Huda Beauty का.
Gucci Flora.
हाँ. बहुत कुछ है.
Actually, we make things, lot of things are there.
Yeah, a lot of things. Fenty Beauty का concealer.
Oh, you got that one? नहीं फाउंडेशन. This is a foundation.
हाँ, so we will split it accordingly. जो भी चाहिए उठा लेंगे हम. Then Lancome का
Idol. हाँ, in short, बहुत चिंदी विंदी से
Yeah, gift miniature.
Then comes free.
This is also free also. You want to open it? It's a Sephora tote. इतने shopping पे Sephora tote. It's a nice one.
Oh my god. It's so absolutely amazingly beautiful.
Nice. Alright. That's it. आज के लिए इतना ही काफी है. कल मिलते हैं कुछ और नए एपिसोड्स के साथ.
Bye.